The sun shines, birds sing, a small bus rumbles down a country road. It's taking a group of city kids to a place of wonder, a nature nursery. Trees surround the nursery, flowers bloom in vibrant colors. This is a place for learning and adventure. The air is fresh and clean. It's a world away from the city's noise. Here, nature whispers its secrets. It's time for the children to listen. The bus doors open, releasing a wave of eager children. Excited chatter fills the air, a symphony of youthful voices blending with the sounds of nature. The children step out, their eyes wide with wonder, taking in the vast expanse of greenery before them. They've traded their concrete jungle for a real one, a jungle of leaves, flowers, and buzzing insects. The air is fresh, filled with the scent of pine and earth. "Wow, look at that giant tree!" exclaims Leo, his eyes sparkling with amazement. The tree stands tall and majestic, its branches reaching out like welcoming arms. "I bet I can climb to the top," he declares, his voice filled with determination and excitement. "Don't forget about the butterflies," chimes in Maya, her gaze fixed on a monarch gracefully flitting by. The butterfly's delicate wings shimmer in the sunlight, captivating her attention. The air buzzes with the children's excitement. They're ready to explore, to uncover the secrets hidden within the forest. Every step they take is filled with anticipation and curiosity. They're ready to connect with nature, to feel the earth beneath their feet and the breeze on their faces. This is a day of discovery, a day to remember. Discovery. Section 4. Nature's whispers, children's laughter. They discover a hidden pond. Tiny fish dart beneath the lily pads. A frog croaks from its perch. The children are mesmerized. "This place is magical," whispers Sophia, her eyes reflecting the shimmering water. "I wish we could stay here forever." The children learn about the delicate balance of the ecosystem. They learn the importance of respecting all living things. Nature's whispers become lessons they'll carry with them. Section 5. Lessons learned, seeds planted. The day comes to an end, but the experiences and lessons from today will last a lifetime. Tired but happy, the children board the bus, their faces glowing with the joy of discovery and adventure. They take with them more than just memories. They carry small plants, nature crafts, and souvenirs that symbolize their newfound knowledge. They take a newfound appreciation for nature, understanding the delicate balance of ecosystems and the importance of preserving our environment. "I never knew learning could be so much fun," says Ethan, his voice filled with excitement. His eyes sparkle as he recalls the day's adventures. "I can't wait to tell my parents all about the amazing things we saw and did today," he adds, eager to share his newfound knowledge and enthusiasm. They've learned about teamwork and responsibility, working together to plant seeds and care for the garden. They've learned about the interconnectedness of all living things, observing how plants, animals and humans all play a role in the ecosystem. The seeds of knowledge have been planted, and as they nurture these plants, they will also nurture their understanding and respect for nature. The bonds they've formed with each other and with nature will grow, just like the seeds they've planted today. As the bus drives away, the children wave goodbye, already looking forward to their next adventure in the great outdoors. The sun sets on a day filled with learning, laughter, and the planting of seeds, both in the garden and in their hearts.